Today, introducing circuit testers. I've got two basic circuit testers and one voltmeter I want to tell you. We're going to test this outlet right here, and we're going to see if it has power. And with the last tool, we're going to see exactly how much voltage is in this circuit. Basic circuit tester. Doesn't get much simpler than this one. It's got two leads, a red and a black, and a light indicator. If it lights up, it has power. If it doesn't light up, it doesn't have power. I'm going to take my black lead, I'm going to stick it in the hot side of the outlet. I'm going to take my neutral lead, stick it in the neutral side, the red lead, and you can see that the light lights up, means we have power, as long as the metal's touching. Another circuit tester that's pretty common amongst electricians. It's just a little plug and play. You plug it in, you plug it right in, and then it gives you an indicator light. It has a clear, an amber, and a red lens. And depending on which one lights up tells you if it is working correct or if you have something that's out of whack and out of reverse. Because it's designed, it will have the ground, the hot, and the neutral sides. All right, with this one, you do is you plug it in and you look and see what lights up. And I have a red and an orange and a red and amber indicators, which means that we have a circuit that is operating correctly. One you'll see commonly is only the middle amber light will light up and the other two are out. That means you're missing a ground. There's either no ground wire, or the ground is broke, or was never one there. A lot of older houses don't have ground wires, so you'll see that a lot. And electricians use this as a quick check before they start taking everything apart to see if they have a problem. This third tool is called a voltage meter. It also measures many things other than voltage. Has an indicator face and a dial. You can select what you're wanting to measure. In this case, we're measuring volts AC, which is the V with a little squiggly line. It also still has a red and a black lead. We put our black on the hot side, put our on the neutral side, and we start reading the numbers. If I get that right for you, there we go. You can read, it should be around 120 volts, and it's going to fluctuate a little bit, and it's going to move around because it is alternating current. It has a pulse to it. And sometimes you may even see this spike up 130, 140. We get a little power surge. This is a simple voltmeter. This also has functions. It can measure a battery, just a regular flashlight battery or a 9-volt battery. It measures continuity. It does ohms. It does lots of different things. They're pretty expensive little pieces of equipment, but if you fool with anything that's electrical very much, you will find that you need one. So now it is your turn. Find the tools, find you an outlet, practice, film yourself, and tell me what you know. Thank you.